Hi everyone. So it's a Saturday, and I decided to come on Hobbies Rohit Nagpal Tom today, and won't be taking more than half an hour hopefully. And just stepped at 2 p.m. in the night and just woke up and came to know that it's Women's Day, and when it's Women's Day, I tend to remember the mothers, and of course, being single, I think you interact with a lot of normally also girls, women, ladies as well. What I tend to do in the last few years, I've started to respect them a lot. And what I've found out in life in general is that just avoid them. If you feel there's a fight, a chance of a fight with a woman, with a girl, just try to avoid them because they will have a lot of shoulders. They will have a lot of people standing behind you. It's possible you won't be having anyone standing behind you when there is a fight going on. It's amazing. Women are all around. And when I do hobbies, there are of course two singers which always have inspired me. One is of course the Nightingale, Lata Mangeshkar ma'am, and of course, what an amazing soothing voice of Shreya Ghoshal ma'am. So I'll be doing track of these two women today. Here I go with the first one. Here I go. So the first one I will be doing is I'll be starting with Lata Mangeshkar ma'am and Shreya Ghoshal. Before doing that, I just want to say one thing. What is coming up on this weekend? Of course, today is the Women's Day. I'll be doing some workout as well, and then on the Sunday we have got the Champions Trophy, the WC final, and I'm very happy to see India there, but very sad that it's New Zealand who are in front of them because this was a bit sad beat. We saw South Africa losing and not qualifying for the final. That was so sad. And now to see India New Zealand final, you want India to win, but I would be very sad to see New Zealand lose also. And in case New Zealand win, of course, I'll be sad because I want India to win. So I never wanted an India New Zealand final. It should have been an India Australia final or any other team maybe. But yeah, now it's India New Zealand. Hope the better team wins. But yes, you got to feel for South Africa and New Zealand. But yes, of course, you want India to win. So let's see who wins tomorrow. Let's start doing tracks now. First up is a few tracks of the amazing Lata Mangeshkar ma'am. I'll be starting with Mera Saya Saath Hoga. Here I go. Music credit the Star Maker MID 6211 And I want to thankful to all the subscribers on the YouTube platform who are following me and also on the app. Short list of followers because I never tell anyone that I've got a YouTube channel or I'm doing hobbies on Star Maker app. So I'll be doing it in my male style, of course, these tracks. So here I start, and not more than half an hour. And after this, it'll be only singing and a few words in between. Here I go with the four tracks to begin with. Lata Mangeshkar ma'am, few tracks. First of all, Mere Saath Saya Saath Hoga. Here I go. It's a natural singing. It will be playing on the Star Maker. I'll be posting it there, and here you will be hearing it. Here I go. It takes a lot of stress out of me when I do hobbies. तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया कभी मुझको याद करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू कभी मुझको याद करके जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू तो वहीं पे रोक लेंगे उन्हें आके मेरे आंसू तुझे धर का रुख करेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास रहूंगा मैं भी, तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास रहूंगी मैं भी, नजर आऊं या ना आऊं तेरे पास रहूंगे मैं भी, तू कहीं भी जा रहेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, मेरा साया 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 मेरा साया. So this app really likes my voice. It gave me A double plus on this track. Thank you to the app, and so I need to post it down the app. So you can follow me on the Star Maker ID 6211 250 and also on the YouTube Hobbies Rohit Nagpal Tom. It's Woman Says. Singers who inspire me. So next up is another track of a bit old track as well again, which I'm going to try now. The second one of the evening, which I think of course most of you already like it as well. So here I go with the second one, which is again I'm going to be doing it in my style. I won't tell you the track. I will just straight away start the singing here. Hopefully you like it. Yeah, I want to try this one. Yes, here I go. What a beautiful track this is. Amazing composition again. तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं. जी में आता है तेरे दामन में सर झुका के, हम रोते रहे सर झुका के हम रोते रहे, तेरी भी आंखों में आंसुओं की नमी तो नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं। तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं, रात को रोक लो। तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं, रात को रोक लो। रात की बात है और जिंदगी बाकी तो नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी से शिकवा तो नहीं. Thank you very much, the Star Maker app. So I got another A double plus. Hopefully you like this track as well. Time to post it as well. So you can follow me on the Star Maker app. My ID is 6211-250-9526, and also on YouTube where it's Hobbies Rohit Nagpal Tom. Shikwa Wednesday. So hopefully you like this one as well. So the next up is, now I will be doing two more tracks, and now let's start with the second singer, the female singer, which I really love the voice of recently, is of course the Evergreen, amazing. Even when she talks, it's so amazing, man. Shreya Ghoshal, ma'am, lovely voice, like amazing. I don't know how he glitches the track. I even watch sometimes Indian Idol as well sometimes. So it's such an amazing voice, man. I just can't imagine, like, she's such a amazing voice, which I listened. So I'll be doing a few tracks, two tracks of those two tracks, which I feel I can do. So one of them is probably about someone. You have listened to this track also. So it's about someone going to meet someone for a marriage purpose. So bit of an old style, not goes with me. So, but like if you are meeting someone, and this is how this track mostly comes out from your mouth. So I want to do it. Do anjane ajnabi. Here I go. दो अनजाने अजनबी चले बांधने बंधन, हाय रे दिल में है ये उलझन, मिलकर क्या बोले, क्या बोले, क्या बोले रे मिलकर क्या बोले। नई उमंग नई खुशी महक उठा है आंगन, हाय रे घर आए मन भावन, मिलकर क्या बोले, क्या बोले, क्या बोले रे मिलकर क्या बोले। बेचैनी बेताबी आज मुझे ये कैसी, आज है जो पहले न थी, दिल की हालत ऐसी हो, आँखों को उसी का इंतजार है, उन्हीं के लिए ये रूप ये श्रृंगार है, देखी है तस्वीर ही हो, आज मिलेंगे दर्शन, हाय रे बढ़ने लगी है उलझन, मिलकर क्या बोले, क्या बोले, क्या बोले रे मिलकर क्या बोले। I love the muffler. रूप की रानी आई है जैसे गगन से उतर के, मेरे लिए क्यों मेरे लिए ऐसे सज के संवर के हो, सबसे छुपा के इधर उधर से मुझको ही देखे चोर नजर से, बात लबों पर है रुकी, तेज दिलों की धड़कन, हाय रे कल के सजनी साजन, मिलकर क्या बोले, क्या बोले, क्या बोले रे मिलकर क्या बोले। So the Star Maker has been quite generous with me. Another 8 double plus on a beautiful track, Do Anjane Ajnabi. So you can follow me on the Star Maker MID 6211-250-9526 and also on Hobbies Rohit Nagpal Tom on the YouTube. I will only tell people that I am doing these two things on sometimes on Instagram stories, Facebook stories, or on WhatsApp as well as on YouTube every weekend, most probably from now onwards. So when I post this one, So hopefully you like this track as well. Do anjane अजनबी छल बांधने बंधन हाय रे दिल में है ये उलझन मिलकर बोले क्या बोले क्या बोले रे मिलकर क्या बोले. So one more track I want to do, uh, which I feel like doing now as well. No, I won't do this one. Hopefully, I can find one more which I can try now. I'm not able to find that track which I want to do. I want to do one more track of before I end the day. So that's what happens in the natural session. When you do a natural session, you are sometimes not doing anything. I'm not able to think which one I should do. Should I try this one? No, I won't because um I don't feel like. And probably they send me a blocks a reminder that you cannot this cannot be viewed here, this that. So I want to try that track. I want to try. mm, I want to try which one. I found it. So I'll be trying this one now. अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम. Now this is again singing in the female voice is so tough, man. But I will be trying it. अगर तुम मिल जाओ. Here I go. No, no. This is I don't want to do the short one. I want to do the full one. Yeah, found it. See, even I've opened even the female version, but I'll be singing in the male style. So here I go, the last one. And I'm already reached 23 minutes, so I'll be able to wind up before 60 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. तुम्हें पाकर जमाने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. बिना तेरे कोई दिलकश नजारा हम न देखेंगे. बिना तेरे कोई दिलकश नजारा हम न देखेंगे. तुम्हें ना हो पसंद उसको दोबारा हम न देखेंगे. तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें वो शीशा तोड़ देंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. It's always very tough to sing the female voices, and I always try to sing it my way because I just wanted to get the stress out and want to end the hobbies also with a happy mood. And just a couple of minutes left before this session comes to an end. तेरे दिल में रहेंगे, तुझको अपना घर बना लेंगे. तेरे दिल में रहेंगे, तुझको अपना घर बना लेंगे. तेरे ख्वाबों को गहनों की तरह खुद पर सजा लेंगे. कसम तेरी कसम, कसम तेरी कसम, तकदीर का रुख मोड़ देंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. तुम्हें हम अपने Since I'm a hobby singer, sometimes these mistakes happen. तुम्हें हम अपने जिस्मो जा में ऐसा कुछ बसा लेंगे. तुम्हें हम अपने जिस्मो जा में कुछ ऐसे बसा लेंगे. तेरी खुशबू हम अपने जिस्म की खुशबू बना लेंगे. खुदा से भी ना जो टूटे, खुदा से भी ना जो टूटे, वो रिश्ता जोड़ लेंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. तुम्हें पाकर जमाने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम, अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे. So hopefully you like this track as well. अगर तुम मिल जाओ जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम, जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम. So that was the end of the session, and it roughly lasted for half an hour. So hopefully you have a nice weekend. It was Women's Day today, and tomorrow I will be looking forward to the final. Hopefully, best team wins. And usually I do hobbies only once a weekend, which I started last week only. So Saturday, normally I try to do it on Sunday, but this week I came on Saturday. So I'm doubtful I will be coming on a Sunday or not. So have a nice weekend. See you soon someday on YouTube. I'm regularly on the Starbreaker app. Have a nice day. Follow me on the Starbreaker. My ID is 621125095526. And also you can subscribe to me on Hobbies, Rohit Nagpal Tom. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye for now. See you then. Sayonara.